For our final video, I'm just going to walk you through a little bit through FigJam files. So as you know, if you're in a particular project or if you're in your drafts, you can easily create a FigJam file. And FigJam is another type of file that Figma supports that allows you to kind of brainstorm, create little flowcharts, or run workshops with a team, because it's also a collaborative file. And you can invite someone else to the session. If you have a paid plan like we do, you can even use open sessions, which means that for a particular amount of time, everyone who's inside is not going to get charged for, which is excellent, because sometimes when you're creating workshops with clients, you just want to get their input without them becoming a paid member for a full month when it comes to FigJam. So as you can see, the interface is pretty similar to Figma, but it's a lot simpler. There's not a lot of different sidebars and options that you can use. You have some options in here that are connected to collaboration. You can invite others into the file through here. There are comments that you can leave, and there are some options for you to collaborate with other teammates. So for example, maybe you want to let them know that you really love a particular thing that they wrote, and you can just leave emojis like this. You can vote on things together by leaving stamps like this. You can also again use the cursor chat, so similarly how it was in Figma, it basically works the same. You can also kind of high-five other teammates. You can also create timers, which are widgets inside Figma too, to help you go through a particular workshop exercise together. Down on the bottom, you're going to have all of the other options. One of them is like a marker that you can use to write things down, or kind of ensure that everyone sees something that you want them to see. So there are really excellent things around here that you can use to collaborate again and workshop together and build something. You can also use FigJam for a lot of other things. For example, we tend to do it for visual explorations, where we're mood boarding and just kind of creating some drafts of different images that we like and dislike for a particular projects, and then we use FigJam to vote on things. You can also create simple ellipses that you can write in, or switch it to something else like a square, any other type of shape in here. You can also create sticky notes, which you can then use for research insights, and maybe you can create affinity mapping, or you can do card sorting exercises in FigJam as well. You can just enter text. You can connect items together with lines like this. Again, stamps you've already seen, widgets and everything. We did demo a bit. And if you want to move around without moving anything, so you can see that I'm actually clicking around here, you can switch from the select tool to hand tool, and that's basically the overview of an excellent tool that is FigJam, that has become one of our favorites way to kind of workshop together and work on new ideas. Everything else is pretty similar to Figma. I would just say that it's even simpler, so that's why I won't dive in too deep into it, because it's really easy to get a hang of it, and all of our clients, even the non-techie ones, are able to go around and figure out how something works in just a couple of minutes. So have fun with FigJam as well.